Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Dave the Kitchen. And today I'd like to show you how I made these nice, good, delicious donuts. Very easy, anybody can do it, even a toddler can do it. But anyways, follow along with me and I'll show you how I did it. Okay, this is for people that don't want to make their own yeast bread and stuff, yeast rolls. Anyways, we're going to make some donuts and we're going to do it the easy way. Instead of using biscuits this time, we're going to use some dinner rolls that's already been. That's what they look like, the regular dough balls. That's yeast bread. You don't have to worry about making your own yeast, because some people don't like to do that, but I'm going to do it the quick and easy way to show you how to do this. Okay, the first thing you want to do is, before you put them in there, you want to spray it down. This dish you're going to be using. So you're going to let these set. And we're going to just place all these in here, because you want it to rise first before you start making your donuts. Dough lined out, you just want to put this over the top of it and put it into the warmest place ever so it can rise. I usually put it into the microwave because that's about the warmest spot. Okay, this is where we're gonna okay. Water's getting pretty warm enough, so we're gonna start putting these in here. Okay, that looks pretty good. We'll take this little nugget out. Yeah, we gotta let that one cook just a little longer. Yeah, done. I guess let me flip it over. It looks done. Okay, that was done. We're going ahead. Okay, for the glaze, we want three cups of flour, or not flour, but sugar, confectionate sugar, powdered sugar. Okay. Next, we want to have 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then we just want to add in a tablespoon of water at a time until it gets to the perfect texture. We'll come back in a minute. Okay, we're going to take a bottle of water here. We're going to measure it out. And just kind of sift into, or not sifting, but just pouring the water as you go and just kind of stir it around. It's going to take more than just that much, but you want to keep adding it slowly at a time until you get the right measurement of water. It's very important you don't overdo it with water, or I guess you could add more effective sugar, but you want to not add too much. This is the way you want to do it, kind of slowly. I'm just gonna, that should be about enough right there. Now it's all in the, how thick you want your glaze to be too. If you want it real thick, then don't add no more than this. If you want it a little bit thinner, then add a little bit more. But anyways, that's how you make your glaze for your donuts. Okay, to assemble your donut, so we're going to take the donut and we're going to put it into the batter there and let it catch on both sides. And you're just going to let it sit here and, you know, take your next one, set it in here. Okay, we're going to do a taste test on one of these. We're going to take, we'll take this one right here. It looks pretty good. Look at that. Look at that right there. Ain't that glaze? Look at that glaze. That is delicious. Very delicious. It was easy to make. I hope y'all enjoy my channel. If you do enjoy my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell. And we'll see you next time.